Ready to go? Let's go. You ready, Jordan?
Yeah.
Alright, this is unboxing. We're going to unbox this video today.
Yeah.
This Craftsman router table router combo kit.
Yeah.
So let's open the box. What's the model number? Let's see right here. 37595.
Yeah.
Quarter-inch shaft.
Yeah.
With the 1 3/4 horsepower. So let's get it popping. So let's open it up then, Jordan. Right here.
Cool.
Take that tabs out. Now lift the lid up. Here we go, buddy. Ready to see what's in there?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Whoa.
All right, let's start taking this stuff out. That must be for that. You see that, Jordan? Must be the fence ducks collection right there. You connect your back, top back, or whatever. Let's take it out. Let's find out. Oh wow! It's the literature, owner's manual, warranty, all that stuff. That's all. Let's see. We got 3 pamphlets. What you got there? How's this for a table? Featherboard.
Wow! This is the.
Yeah. Alright, come on, so let's take it out. Take everything out. Take out the router machine right here. Right here. This is mammoth. Notice this is how you can place the brushes. Should be total 1, 2. I hope it comes with extra brushes in there. Well, just hold on, buddy. It's not a plunger, but it'll do for what I need it for, so I'm not even upset. I've never done any type of woodwork, or I never even used a router before, so I'm not gonna. And I wouldn't try to spend a couple $100 for a router. Not in me to do it. So let's take out this table. Yeah, this is the actual table. Right here. Anything else in there, Jordan?
Yes.
What else is in there?
Nothing.
Nothing. Alright.
Let's go to the hideout.
Alright. Alright, let's take a better look at this stuff. Let's see. Alright, I'm going to assemble it. It shouldn't be anything difficult by any means. So I'm going to put this together and I'll be right back. Alright, this is just to let you know that all I did so far is put the 4 bolts, screws and nuts and all that, put it in there, secure the base. Had my boys helping me out. So I'll make progress videos as I put it together. I got plenty of other stuff. Got the tool right here for the nuts. And, so I'll let y'all know in the back in a little bit. There we go. So far it's coming together. Who needs instructions when you got these two? You put this together for me?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Well, we're gonna need your help. So are you gonna come with us? Build?
Of course.
Okay, if you